Forgotten username recovery failed on Albert app fix. If your Albert app username recovery isn't working, most people get it wrong by entering the wrong email or skipping critical verification steps. You won't believe how quickly you can get back into your account with the right method. Step 1. Open the Albert app or go to the login page and tap Forgot Username. Enter the email associated with your account. Albert will send a recovery email containing your username or a secure link to reset your login credentials. Step 2. Check all email folders, including spam, junk, and promotions. Recovery emails often land in unexpected places, which is a common reason users can't access their accounts immediately. Avoid multiple requests in a short time, as this can temporarily block access. Step 3. If your registered email is no longer active, collect verification details like your full name, date of birth, and recent account activity. Contact Albert support directly with this information to speed up the recovery process. Step 4. Once you've retrieved your username, store it securely in a password manager or secure note. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to prevent future login issues. By carefully following these steps, you can regain access to your Albert account efficiently. Proper verification and secure credential management are essential for keeping your financial information safe and accessible.